Nisha Malik, Assistant Professor from the Department of Physiotherapy, RPIT Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel, which is RPIT Academics. If you like the content of our channel, please like, subscribe and share our channel. So आज हम बात करेंगे मसल वर्क के बारे में. रेंजेस ऑफ मसल वर्क. First is full range. Contraction take place throughout the range, starting from fully stretched position in case of concentric contraction and form fully shortened position in case of eccentric contraction. Full range contractions are normally needed only during emergencies. For example, preventing a fall. Uses maintain joint mobility, increase circulation, preparation for situation when power and mobility is needed. सो इस डायग्राम में बताया गया है कि फुल रेंज क्या है. देखो इसेंट्रिक में जो डायग्राम है फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट गया है और जो फुल रेंज का कंसेंट्रिक का वो लेफ्ट टू राइट आया है. Then ranges of muscle work inner range. The muscles either shortens concentrically from halfway of its range or it's lengthened by eccentric contraction from fully contracted state to halfway. Uses gain or maintain joint movement in the direction of muscle pull. Train some extensors that stabilize joint, for example knee VMO strengthening. Then outer range, concentric contraction from fully stretched position to halfway full range and eccentric contraction from halfway range to fully contracted position. So uses very useful for initiation of contraction, stretch reflex act better, muscle contract more forcefully, that is Frank Starling law. Then middle range. So in middle range, in this range of muscle work, the muscles neither reach the fully contracted range nor are fully stretched but moves only in the range in between. This range is most functional and generally most efficient. Angle of pull near 90 degree. Uses maintenance of full of muscle tone and normal power. Group action of muscles. Prime movers, we can call them agonist, antagonist, synergist, and fixators. Then what is prime movers? They are the muscles who bring about the movement by contraction. They are responsible for most of the forces generated in the movement. For example, for shoulder abduction, deltoid is acting as a prime mover. Then antagonist, these are the muscles that are opposing group of prime movers. They relax and are lengthened either passively or eccentrically to allow controlled movement. For example, shoulder adductors lengthen passively during abduction. Knee extensors lengthen eccentrically during knee flexion in standing to sitting. Then what is synergist? They work or relax to modify the movement of the prime movers. They may alter the direction of pull prime movers, or when a multi-joint muscle is the prime mover, fix a joint where movement is not required in a position of advantage. For example, rotator cuff in shoulder alters the pull of deltoid and create abduction. Without them, the deltoid would create an upward translation. While making a fist, the finger flexors are agonist. They are multi-joint muscle and can flex the wrist too. The wrist extensor act as synergist and fix the wrist in extension so that the force of prime movers are used only in fingers.